Hello everybody, it's Leanne from Cherry Lane. I just wanted to give you a close-up of some cards. It was going to be a class, but it won't be anymore. So yeah, I haven't posted them on our website yet. We just got the samples actually completely done the other day. So photos are never quite as good. So I'm going to give you a close-up via video. I don't know if anyone's watching, so if you are watching, say hello. Give us some likes or some loves if you love these. So, Vicky's watching. Hello, Vicky. So, yeah, these are designed by Little Darlings rubber stamps. So everything in this kit is going to be pre-cut and pre-colored for you. You are just going to follow the photos and stick them together, and they're very incredibly cute. And I do recommend adding Stickles. So, let's give you a close-up. You can always watch this on the replay. Okay, so there we go. These are great. Look how cute those bunnies are. I think there might be stamps for these too. I don't know. I didn't get that far into the box yet. So I'm trying not to make shadows on there. Look. Oh, see? There you go. You need Stickles. Stickles and foam squares. Maybe ribbon if you want. So these are going to be super easy to put together. So like you could do them yourself, or it's even a project you could do with your kids too. So yeah, the kit is going to make 9 cards, and like I said, everything will be in there, pre-colored, pre-die cut. There you go. Add your Stickles and stuff. So makes 9 cards. Hi Renee. Oh, I should wave at you. There we go. So yeah, I just have to take an actual photo and then get them printed, and then kits will be ready to go after that, so we can hold them in the store for you, or you can pick them up. We can do curbside pickup. We can ship. I think I talked about all the things. Oh, I think it's maybe $28, I think. I have to double check, but yeah. Cuteness. Oh, there's little radishes on there. Okay, that's cute. Have a happy birthday. Okay, if you do want one, you can comment here, and then we will check back on that tomorrow. We are closed tomorrow, but I'll still be working, maybe in my yoga pants, but I'll be working. So yep, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Hope you are all well, and to see you again soon. All right, thanks. Bye.